iPhone 15 and 15 Pro dummies show off the new colors, gray, and more gray. We've heard a lot about the new colors on the upcoming iPhone 15 series, including that Titan Gray will replace the gold option on the iPhone 15 Pro pair. This coincides with the switch away from stainless steel in favor of titanium. Now Sunny Dixon has posted photos of dummies that show off the actual colors that Apple has picked. Colors, plural, might be a bit of a stretch for the grayish, desaturated selection of hues seen in these photos. The Pro series were always fairly somber, but things have never been this gray. What happened to the dark red color that we saw at the start of 2023? Unclear. Maybe Apple wasn't happy with how it paired with the new metal frame. Note that the titanium has a matte finish, in contrast to the shiny stainless steel of previous Pro models. Or maybe Apple designers dropped the red for some other reason. We may never know, but the non-Pro iPhones were allowed to have some fun with colors. Look at this bold yellow for the iPhone 14. And 14 Plus, for example. The vanilla 15 phones will be available in blue, pink, white, green, and black, or at least very pale versions of these colors. As for the two Pros, they will come in space black, silver, blue, and the aforementioned Titan Gray. Apple will officially unveil the new iPhone 15 series on September 12th. These will be the first to use USB-C ports, which you can see in the photos above, and will mark a number of other firsts for the company's smartphone line.